Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to fix Oblivion Remastered not launching or working on the Xbox Game Pass. And let's get straight into the video. So the first thing that you guys can do is go ahead and open up the Xbox app. From the Xbox app, you want to look for Oblivion under My Library or under Home, and then you want to go ahead and right click on it, hit Manage, and then go over to Files and then select Verify and Repair. And what this basically does is that it just checks if there are any corrupt files and it will fix that issue. Once you're done with that, you can go ahead and launch Oblivion and the error code should be fixed. But another method you guys can try doing is going over to the search bar in the bottom left and typing in Device Manager. From the Device Manager, what you can do is make your way over to Display Adapters and right click on your GPU and hit Update Driver, and then go ahead and choose Search Automatically for Drivers. Now this will update your drivers, and another way to do this is by going over to the GeForce Experience app directly. If you are on NVIDIA, going over to drivers and then looking for check for updates. If you have any updates, it will say right here. You can go ahead and update your drivers. If you're on AMD, you can use the AMD equivalent app, or you can just manually install it from Google. And that should be it for the video. I recommend after you do update your drivers, if there was an update, restarting your PC as well, and that can also help fix the issue. So that should be it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.